we are the zookeepers. We're gonna make sure all of the animals are okay today and show you all of the animals. It's
Okay,
a shark.
what's the first animal you're gonna show us?
We're gonna show you guys a bat.
Now the shark.
And there's a spider right here. So
Hey,
this is gonna happen.
Hey, I'm a shark.
What's up behind you?
Shark.
Hey, shark guy, I see an animal behind you. Who's that?
Oh,
A beaver.
beaver.
Wait, don't bite the beaver.
Yummy, yum, yummy,
Ooh,
yum,
is that yummy?
We'll take him to the nurse.
Wow, so yum. Hey,
Watch out, there's a crocodile right next to you.
yeah.
Good job.
Yummy.
Can you show me who's on the stairs here?
So we have a kangaroo, a nice crocodile, good boy.
There's a baby panda.
A panda bear, monkeys, a snake, a monkey, and giraffe and frog.
Oh, great.
Medium giraffe. A bee is here. We have a
Now
medium.
look.
Hey, zookeeper, I have a question.
We have bee right.
Who's stronger, tigers or lions?
Probably tigers.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Oh, zookeeper, look, a penguin and its baby.
Hey, what a pet me. Hey, look at that.
Oh, hi, Mr. B. Wait, shark bit him again.
There's more babies too.
Oh, the seal and the seal's baby?
Mm-hmm.
That is so
And
cute.
we have a medium-sized giraffe again, a fat elephant. And if it goes
Hello. It's me, praying mantis.
make sure to subscribe on all of our zoo animals.